Good night, good night. Construction site. Down in the big construction site, the tough trucks work all their might to build a building, make a road, to get the job done, load by load. The sun has set, work is done. It's time for trucks. It's time for trucks. It's time for trucks to end their fun. So one by one, go to bed, to yawn and rest their sleepy heads. Then wake up to another day of rough and tough construction play. Working hard, help his team. Crane truck raises one last beam. Reaching, stretching, lifting high. He swings the beam into the sky. He'll set it down. Right on its mark. And off to bed. It's almost dark. He slowly folds his boom back in, and then with one last sleepy grin, he tucks himself nice and tight, then cuddles up, says good night.
So my son is obsessed with all things construction and backhoes and diggers. So we got him this for his Easter basket, and not only is the story just absolutely adorable, as you can see, the illustrations are very nice, really cute, and I mean, we're tough on books because we read them over and over and over again, and these board books have they're really nice and substantial. I love the matte finish to the pages. And overall, I'm just I don't know, this is probably one of our top 5 favorite books. So if you have a little guy or a little gal who is into trucks or machinery, I would highly recommend this book. Love the story, love the durability, love the pages, love the illustration. 10 out of 10, love it. Here is my review of Goodnight, Goodnight Construction Site. So we absolutely adore these books. I love how simple and beautiful the graphics are. The rich blue in this book is one of my absolute favorite things. I love how he is engaged in wanting to learn all of the different construction vehicle names. I love how there's the continuity between the books, the same characters, very similar types of stories, but each one has their own very sweet story. This one is particularly good, as you can guess, for just before bedtime. Would absolutely recommend for toddlers or preschoolers or any little kid that loves construction vehicles.
Here's our honest review of Goodnight, Goodnight Construction Site. Obviously, it's a wonderful book. They did a great job on the story and the illustrations, but I'm more talking today about the sturdiness and durability of the board book itself. It's well made. We have loved this book almost every night. You can tell we have a little bit of wear and tear on the edges here, but we've had it for almost a year, and it's just a perfect book to throw in the diaper bag, to read in the evening, easy to flip through when you have your hands full. Also a very fair price. It's definitely worth adding to your collection.
The book is really well made. See, it's really sturdy, and the pictures are all very colorful. It's probably a very good find on Amazon. I think my baby's gonna love it.